I get up at 3 because it's silent. It's easier to be focused when the environment is focused. Most of you wake up and you try to make money. Listen to me. If you would make you, money would come to you. If you would make you a better person, you'd make more money. The way people spend their money or treat their money is how I treat my time. How many of you, honestly, you are knocking on doors and grinding and making moves, but you don't necessarily have every single step written down for every single day? I'm telling you, the one thing you cannot get back is time. It is your greatest asset. I make sure that every single day in that 24-hour period that I'm getting a whole bunch of wins. The problem with most of you waking up and you worshiping money. When you become number one, you have to chase opportunities. So I became number one, not meaning I'm better than nobody else. It means I just mastered my craft to the point that I know what I do that don't nobody else do. So forget about the past. Listen to me and make the rest of your life the best of your life. It's your boy E.T. I know you can do it. I believe you can do it. And your problem is you at 50% knocking on doors trying to get the result, somebody at 100%. And you wondering why it ain't working. Because while you're doing what they're doing, you're not who they are. So why do I put more emphasis on time than I put on money? Because they print money. They don't print time. You are worshiping the thing that they make every day. They don't make time every day. Ain't nobody printing time. I ain't met them yet. I ain't met no billionaire. I ain't met no trillionaire. I ain't met no institution. I ain't met no company. I ain't met nobody printing money. I ain't met nobody that say, bruh, give me $500,000, I can give you 10 more years on your life. Are you wasting your time or are you using your time wisely? You can replace money. You cannot get a year back. You are running out of time. All right? I'm gonna say it again. You are running out of time. So why are you spending more time on the thing they print every day than the thing, you know why? Because you're not developed and you following other people. When you understand that the real thing is time and you ain't got a lot of it, you start focusing on your time. And when you get your time right, money will come. When you master yourself, you put yourself in a position that a lot of people can't do what you do, and then you become rare. And diamonds are rare. That's why they cost so much. Two weeks. My man told his grandfather, I'm graduating, and 2 weeks later, even before he literally marked his grandfather passed. Who's gonna pass in your life that you average? Who's not gonna see you blow up? Who's not gonna see you accomplish your goals? Who's not gonna be able to enjoy the fruits of your labor with you? Who put in why? Because you average. And one day you're gonna be great, but you think you got time. You think you got time, 18, 3 years from now, 5 years from now. I'm telling you, you deserve to be great now. And not only do you deserve to be great, there's some people in your life. If you would become rare, you just like everybody else. I'm number one in the world, not because I'm a better speaker. I'm not number one in the world because I look the best, because I dress the best. I became number one because I woke up and I hunted down the 1.8 mil so my wife would never have to work again. Listen to me, you're running out of time. We're not talking about the job right now. We're talking about an opportunity. You never know when your opportunity is that opportunity. It may not be 2 years from now. It may not be 3 years from now. It may not be 4 years from now. Your opportunity might come in the next 6 weeks. Your opportunity to get your mama out of that neighborhood and get your mama into a new neighborhood, listen to me, that opportunity might come in the next 6 months. The question is, will you be ready when that opportunity comes? So you're running out of time. If you're waking up every day and you want a Rolls Royce, you ain't about to beat me. If you waking up for a Bentley, you ain't about to beat me. If you waking up for a gold chain, you ain't about to beat me. If you woke up for a Rollie, you ain't about to beat me, because you going after material stuff. I'm going after my kids so they can see their mom and their mama don't die. Time is the greatest enemy. You thinking it's infidelity. The greatest enemy. You thinking it is finances. You thinking it is in-laws. You thinking that it's differences. No, no, no. It is time. We got to learn to tend to it, guard it, keep it. You got to be able to see it when it cannot be seen. You have to see it happening. You have to believe in the unseen, because if you can't believe in it, you will never manifest it. But when you believe in it, you demand the universe to assist you in what you're doing. And if you can see it before everybody else can see it, then it's going to eventually come to you. One minute you're doing it, the next minute you're not. 1 month you're doing it, the next minute you're not. We're not talking about consistency right now. We talked about consistency before. We're not talking about consistency right now. I'm talking about residence. You got to surrender to that thing. You can't be playing with it. You can't, should I quit? Should I give up? Or should I keep going? Listen to me, I can't tell you what you should do, but I'm going to ask you this question: what's in your seeds? This is not for the head. This is for the heart. What's the seed to you? What is it worth to you? The reason why most of you can't do what you do, you keep getting knocked down, you keep quitting, because whatever your why is, it ain't stronger than the beat down you take it. Whatever the beat down, whatever life is throwing at you, whatever punches is blowing, whatever's happening, it ain't deep enough for you to wake up. Like you getting punched and you feel that pain and you like, ain't no need to getting up. No, and I feel you. You need to stay down, because life gonna beat you. You talking about making millions, life gonna beat you down. You talking about making millions, multi-millions, billions, life gonna beat you down. Without a vision, there's no direction. Without direction, there's no progress. Reason why you struggling getting up, because you don't have nothing to get up for. I've been reading your posts. Some of y'all, you like, E.T., I'm frustrated. E.T., I can't fail another test, E. I can't take another loss. Listen to me. Some of you, I've been reading it. You tired. I feel you. You tired. Some of you scared. Look, some of you hurt. Listen to me very closely. Don't worry about what's going to happen the rest of this year. Like, don't even give me the rest of this month. Like, flat out, I'm not interested until tomorrow. Like, today, do me a huge favor. Can you just survive today? This ain't about today. This ain't about tomorrow. This is about every day. Why? Because every day matters. And when you learn to perfect every single day, you're going to wake up and see yourself doing things you never thought were possible. Because there's some things in life you're not going to get. They're not coming to you. You got to go take it. There's some stuff that you can't even just earn by doing the good thing, doing the right. Listen to me. There's some stuff, if you're going to get it, you got a will to get it. It will happen. It will come to pass. But it's not going to happen at your desk, like at your job. It's not going to happen in the basement at your crib. It's not going to happen with you in the bed dreaming about it. It's not going to happen with you in the shower thinking about it. We want people to make guarantees to us, but we're not willing to make guarantees to ourselves. I want your dream to be so clear, so vivid. You've never looked at yourself in the mirror and said, you let you down. Until you get to that point, you let you down. That when you wake up in the morning, all you got to do is step in your dreams. When you wake up in the morning, look at your goals. Your goals won't tell you what time to get up. Are you hearing me? Your goals won't tell you who you should be hanging out with. The reason why I'm not successful is because of my boss. Have you ever looked at yourself in the mirror and said, I'm not getting up on time? Here's the deal. If you get to the top of the tree, all the fruit from the bottom at the top is going to be there, son. So I don't need you focusing on cars and money and stuff. You're going to get that. I need you to focus on why you were born in the first place. Why are you here on earth for this particular time? What are you doing here? I'm not going to work on time. I'm not putting in 120% when I'm at work. I let me down. Now we gotta keep climbing, we gotta keep moving, we gotta keep going. You're not where you are because you don't have an opportunity. The reason why I've been telling you don't be average, don't be good, try to be great and be phenomenal. You owe you an explanation. You owe you an explanation. You need to look at yourself in the mirror and say, why are you only giving 50%? What's wrong with you? I need you to look at that sickness that's going on in your life right now, whatever it is. I want you to say, I can beat it. Yep, I can beat it. I will beat it. I must. I got kids to live for. I got a family to live for. I ain't through yet. My life ain't over yet. Listen to me. I need you to, that test you failed the third time, I need you to look at that test and speak life into it. I went from being homeless to where I am right now, and the first thing I did was, and you better hear me closely, the first thing I did was I said, I can get through this. I can get through this, and y'all gotta do me a huge favor. You just gotta have that mindset that no matter what you're going through, no matter what challenges you're facing right now, you gotta have that mindset that I can get through this thing. I can make it through it. You need to put yourself on punishment. You need to tell you no more TV, no more snacks, no more desserts. You need to tell you that you owe you something. You might not need to get up at 3 o'clock in the morning for your goals. I don't know, but your goals are going to define what time you get up, how you live your life, how you move, when you say yes, when you say no. Write it down and keep writing it down over and over and over. I don't want nothing from you but for you to leave this room and know what you want. What do you want in your marriage? What do you want with your son and your daughter? What do you want in your health? What do you want? Look, you eat however you want to eat. You do whatever you want to do, right? You don't know what you want. When you're not clear on what you want, like you get up whenever you feel like it. You don't have no drive. You don't have no passion. And so when people ask me, where your passion come from? Where your drive come from? I know what I want. And every single day I wake up, boom, and I go pursue it. What do you want financially? Like, how much money do you want to make a year? What do you want to drive? How do you want to live? Stop just waking up like an accident. What do you want? You ain't got to start with the two-parent background. You ain't got to start with wealth. You ain't got to start with your parents graduated. It's not the hand that you dealt. You got rich kids who committed. You got rich kids who don't know their purpose in life. It's not the hand that you was dealt, baby. It's how you play your hand. Every opportunity is the last opportunity. Every opportunity, I have to reprove myself again. Every opportunity, I'm still nervous. E.T., you've been doing this for years. Why are you so nervous? Because the day you become content, the day you stop growing, the day you stop getting better is the day you die. Is the day the person who's trying to catch you will catch you. You have to understand that if you stay average and you stay good, you'll never get to where you're trying to get to. Great is about growth. And I'm telling you, if you average, you're gonna be forgotten. If you good, you're gonna be forgotten. Nobody's gonna remember you. Listen to me, you gotta get away, you gotta run from average like a plague. And then when you get to good, you gotta make up in your mind that good is only going to be for a few moments. But I'm telling you, ain't nothing gonna change if you can't see it. So I ask you a question, what do you want? And I ask you, what do you want? Because the days you don't feel like getting up out the bed, the days you feel like quitting, giving up and giving in, I outlast. Some things you just gotta outlast. Every sleepless night, listen to me, every cold night, the winter Detroit, and the abandoned buildings and cars, sleeping in, and I outlasted it. There's some things in life you don't need no degree for, you don't need no money for it, listen to me, you don't need no support for it. There's some things in life you just gonna get through when you tell yourself, I'm gonna get through this. And then second, you just gotta outlast some stuff. Listen to me, the only thing that's gonna get you up out that bed, the only thing that's gonna make you strive past that obstacle, get past that brick wall, and of it, the only thing that's going to make you get up and do what you're supposed to do is what you see. You got something special inside of you. You're not only a special person created at a special time, you have something special in you, and this is the year when you do special things. If you hit an oak tree 1,000 times, in 1,000 different spots, what's gonna happen? Absolutely nothing. But if you hit an oak tree 1,000 times in the exact same spot, you know what's gonna happen? You're gonna bring it down. You're going to do the impossible.
The decisions you make right now is up to you. You crying about something that happened to you when you was a kid. You ain't even no kid no more. You a grown man. Take full ownership. The stupid stuff you doing, your parents didn't make you play no video games. What you crying about? So what, your daddy wasn't there? Your mama ended up getting married. What you crying about? He went to work every day. He never beat you. He never abused you. Your mama did the best she knew how to do. What you crying about? You grew up in a house. What you crying about? I'm talking about being consistent. I'm talking about regularity. Listen to me, I'm talking about consistency. Once you can get that momentum going, once that momentum gets going, boom, there's no telling where you can go. So the first level was all about you, all about you. Understand there's nothing you can't do. There's nothing you can't have. There's nothing you can't be, but that's over now. Now we gotta build on that. What are you willing to sacrifice to get what you want? What are you willing to give up? And I just made up in my mind, look, I might not have been stronger. Listen to me, I might not have been smarter. I might not have been brighter, but I made up in my mind, I'm gonna get through this. If you was gonna give up, you should have gave up 2 years ago. You should have gave up $2,000 ago. You should have, listen to me, you should have quit a long time ago. You done already put in 998 hits. Get some out of it. You finished school. You gonna quit now? You finished school and now it's hard because you can't find that job? You should have quit your first class. You mean to tell me you went through 4 years, 5 years of school, and now you quit? Now you give up?